Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, I'm Tom, and today I feel a little nervous
Why is that?
because today we're talking about meeting new people.
Oh, that's a great topic. Many learners feel shy when meeting someone for the first time.
That's right, but don't worry, we'll practice very simple sentences you can use anytime.
Today's topic is meeting new people. It can sometimes be scary.
Cold hands. English words disappear. Mind goes blank.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
The good news is there are many simple ways to feel more confident.
Today, we'll practice easy English for real life. You'll listen, repeat, and shadow naturally. Let's start with a few simple sentences. Repeat after me. I like meeting new people. I want to practice English with others. I enjoy friendly conversations.
Very good. Now let's move to the main dialogues.
Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time at this event?
Yes, I don't know many people here.
Don't worry. Everyone here is friendly. Where are you from, Tom?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the Philippines. How long have you been in this city?
I've been here for 3 months.
Now, let's practice shadowing.
Remember, listen, copy, repeat. Don't translate, just follow our voice.
Nice to meet you. Is this your first time here? Where are you from? How long have you been here?
Now shadow with me, saying at the same time, I don't know many people here. Everyone here is friendly. I've been here for 3 months.
So, Tom, what do you do for a living?
I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company.
And you?
I'm an English teacher. I like meeting people and helping them learn.
That's great. What do you usually do in your free time?
I like reading, cooking, and long walks. And you?
I like taking photos and playing the guitar.
That's nice. Maybe you can show me your photos later.
Repeat each sentence after Mint.
What do you do for a living? I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company. What do you usually do in your free time? I like taking photos.
What do you do for a living? I'm a graphic designer. I work for a small company. What do you usually do in your free time? I like taking photos.
It's been great talking to you, Anna.
Me too, Tom. Do you want to join our English meetup next weekend?
Sounds good. What time?
It starts at 10 a.m. We'll meet at a cafe near the park.
Perfect. I'd love to join.
Great. I'll send you the details later.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? It's nice talking with you. Let's keep in touch. These are simple but very effective for making connections. Last Sunday, Tom went to an English meetup. He didn't know anyone, so he felt a little shy. When he arrived, he saw a friendly girl waving at him. Her name was Anna. She said, "Hi, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you." Tom smiled and replied, "Nice to meet you." Anna introduced him to others. They talked about work, hobbies, and life in the city. Tom shared that he liked photography, and everyone wanted to see his photos. By the end of the meetup, Tom felt really happy. He made new friends, practiced English, and planned to join the next meetup.
Last Sunday, Tom went to an English meetup. He didn't know anyone. He felt a little shy. Anna introduced him to everyone. By the end, Tom felt really happy.
Now shadow at normal speed.
Meet, meeting, meeting new people. Time, first time, first time here. Nice, nice to meet you. Really, it's really nice talking with you.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Let's keep in touch. I'll be person A, you be person B. Answer these questions. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What are your hobbies? It's nice talking with you. Let's keep in touch.
Today you practiced greetings, small talk, asking and answering questions, useful phrases, mini story, and shadowing with rhythm and pronunciation.
Meeting new people can be easy.
Just use simple sentences.
Speak slowly and clearly.
Smile. It helps a lot.
Ask small questions.
Listen carefully.
You can do it.
Thanks for learning with us. Remember,
A smile is the best introduction.
everyone feels shy at first. You're not alone.
Small questions create big connections.
Forgot a word? Stay calm. Breathe.
Nice to meet you. Simple, friendly, perfect.
The best way to learn English is by talking with others.
Every conversation is a chance to get better.
Be friendly, not perfect.
See you in the next lesson.